Okay, good morning, everyone. This morning we're going to look at chapter 33, adding several integers. Now, as I explained in this morning's lesson, what we're doing here is we're adding a series of numbers together. So you'll see here how if they're either side of 0, they cancel each other. So what's the best example here? We've got here in this sum, we've got a -6 there and a +6, okay? So they would cancel each other out in this big row here of numbers, okay? And then you work out what the rest are. So there's a -3, a -4, and a +5. What does that give you? Well, you add up the minuses, you get -7. You add up the pluses, you get +5. And that gives you the final answer of -2. So you do that for each of these as you go along, working out what each one is. So see if they cancel each other out. You see on that side there's a +9 and a -9 that cancel each other out. Then you add up the minuses and you add up the pluses and you get a final answer. Okay, going down, there's the answers if you need to check your sums. Going down next, we've got the diving depths of water birds. So at the top here, we've got, I'll go down a bit more. Sorry, so I've got a shot there. We've got these a table of different birds and the depths that they go to in the water. And you just got to work out the difference really between two different birds. So we've got here a long-tailed duck and an Arctic loon. One is 60 meters, the other is 46 meters. So the answer is 14. And you do the same for the rest of the questions here. You just work out the difference between the diving depths, and that will give you the meters. This one is fill in a number to make the sum of all the numbers 0. So what you're going to do is just work out, what these three numbers on the side add up to. So we've got here -15 and -3 is 18, plus 8 is -10. So what would make it 0? What would make -10 0? It would be 10. Same for the rest, really. You've got here 13, 6, and -15. What would make it 0? It would be -4. And there are all the answers there for those questions. Question 5, you've got the different birth dates here of different people. So we've got Oliver there, born in what looks like 1987, and Annie there in 1992. And then you have to work out their age in the year 2015, okay? So calculate how old they were in 2015 and write the ages on the line, okay? So there they are, Robbie, Ida, Linda, Oliver, etc. And then how old was Oliver when Annie was born, okay? So you've got there the answers for each of those. How old was Leo when Annie was born? Again, it's working out the difference between the years. Here you got filling the missing number. So you got either side here, you've got -6 plus 8, right, is -2. Therefore, 2 plus 0 would be 2, all right? And that would cancel each other out. So this is about making sure that the numbers on this side equal the numbers on this side, and the sums on this side equal the sums on this side, using plus or minus. Then you got number 9. How many times do the boys have to score in basketball to be proportionally as successful as the girls? Okay. Now, Sarah shoots 10 times and scores 8 times. So Oliver shoots 15 times. Therefore, she needs to score 12 times. Here we've got Ella, scores 12 out of 6. Okay. So that's a half, isn't it? Therefore, Manuel, if he shot 16 times, would need to shoot 8. That's proportionally the same. It's a half. And then we've got the others there. Homework is just a recap on learning. Remember to work it out by cancelling out the numbers. You've got a +7 and a -7 there. And you work out the rest of the numbers there. These are the same as you go down as well. It's just about working out what the total sum is there. Okay? So that's it for today. Thank you very much for listening.